Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. This is tutorial number 6 of our Unity 2D game tutorial. In the last video guys, we have added some additional animation to our players. So whenever there are keys or there are keyframes in our keyboards, then we play the attack animation. So in this example, if our users press the keys or F keys in our keyboard, and the attack animations will be play. It's not perfect, but it's working. It is working. Sometimes you need to hold it before it play the animation, but we will fix it later on as we go along the game. So now what we need to do will be maybe we should add jump animation, or we can just leave it like this for now, but we can also add a sound, so whenever the game will be play. So I will just go and navigate to the game sounds effects that I have downloaded. So let me just play the sound. So I'll just okay. Now I like this one. So now I'll just remember that this tutorial is not for advanced user. This is basically for the student that just started their game development journey, and this is just a basic tutorial to intermediate. So I will now move this one and but first I will create a new folder. I will create a folder and name it sounds, and here I will just put the sounds that I'd like. So I just drag and drop to this folder. Okay, so let's just wait until it will be added. So hopefully it will be added, but we need to wait a little. So now it is successfully added. Now select the main camera, and then as you can see to the inspector, you can see audio listener, and then in this hierarchy we can just click add component and look for the audio source, or we can just type your audio source. Just click this audio source, and we can now select the audio clip. So just choose the audio clip that we have copy and pasted. Output. Now we can just click the loop. So we can just leave it the properties or the settings of the sounds as it is. Now if I'm going to play, we should be able to hear the background music. As you can see, as you can hear, you should hear now the game background, and we can also add specific music for our character, so whenever our character execute the attack animation, then we can also put sound effects. So for now guys, we will leave it like this, but later on we will be added another additional steps that we need as we move to make this project. So guys, I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing, like this video if you like this video, and if you have some questions, so don't hesitate to write it in the comment box. So thanks for watching guys, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.